Next, let's look at the Direct Counterparties tab. If we click on the node and go to the tab in question, this shows you the wallets and the clusters that have interacted with our selected one, either through sending funds to or receiving funds from it. We can expand it by dragging and dropping it on the side, which reveals the full spectrum of information. The amounts shown are cumulative of the transactions between the two wallets or clusters. The value is fixed at the point of the historic transactions, and the net flow is also shown. This is true across all networks and assets the wallet may have transacted over. You can see the networks used on the far right column. The timestamps show the times of the first transactions received, as well as the last transactions received, as well as the first transaction sent, and the overall last transaction sent, as well as the overall value sent and the net flow shown in this column. These columns can be expanded or reduced. To make a wallet appear or a cluster appear on the graph, simply toggle it using the switch on the far left. If we just zoom out a bit, we'll be able to see more. The columns themselves can be added or removed to show a condensed or restricted or expanded view of the information in question. The information shown can also be filtered. This is either by the transaction value in US dollars or whether the clusters in question have been labeled. For example, if we remove all labeled clusters, this will then be shown in the graph in question. If we maybe show a slightly smaller one than the Binance one, you can see that we can now, in relation to this particular wallet, we can only see the labeled entities that it's interacted with. However, if we remove this, we should now be able to see all of the wallets and clusters that it's interacted with, whether unknown or known.